discover the magic of castor oil, unlocking its top benefits and uses. Castor oil is celebrated for its remarkable ability to enhance hair growth naturally. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid known to boost scalp health and circulation, it nurtures the hair roots. Applying it regularly can lead to thicker, healthier, and more luscious locks over time. Turning attention to eyelashes, castor oil works wonders here too. A nightly application with a clean mascara brush can gradually increase volume and strength. This oil deeply conditions the lashes, preventing breakage and promoting fuller growth, making it an easy addition to your nightly beauty regimen. When it comes to skin care, castor oil is a powerhouse for fighting acne. Its antibacterial properties help clear pores and reduce inflammation. Applying a small amount to the affected area can accelerate healing, prevent scarring, and maintain clearer, smoother skin. As a natural moisturizer, castor oil provides deep hydration for dry and flaky skin without the harsh chemicals found in many lotions. Its high fatty acid content helps restore the skin's moisture balance, leaving it soft and supple. It's particularly effective in harsh weather conditions, shielding skin from the elements. Castor oil also offers relief for those suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe pain and reduce swelling when massaged onto the affected areas. Regular use can improve mobility and comfort, making it a valuable natural remedy for chronic pain sufferers. Castor oil has long been regarded as a natural remedy for constipation due to its laxative properties. When consumed, it stimulates the small intestine, promoting bowel movements. However, it should be used sparingly and with caution, as excessive consumption can lead to cramping and diarrhea. Nail health can greatly benefit from the regular application of castor oil. Rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, it nourishes and strengthens brittle nails, promoting healthier growth over time. Simply massage a small amount onto your nails and cuticles consistently before bed for best results. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of castor oil make it an effective solution for soothing skin inflammation and reducing redness. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Applying a thin layer to affected areas can help calm irritation and hydrate the skin. Stretch marks, a common concern especially during pregnancy or after sudden weight changes, can be visibly reduced with castor oil. Its ability to enhance elasticity in the skin helps in preventing and healing stretch marks. For optimal results, massage the oil into the skin in a circular motion twice daily. Boosting the immune system may be enhanced by the use of castor oil packs. Applying a castor oil pack involves soaking a piece of cloth in the oil, placing it on the skin, and applying heat. This practice is thought to improve lymphatic circulation and support overall immune function. Castor oil can naturally enhance the thickness and growth of your eyebrows. By applying a small amount nightly with a brush or Q-tip, the rich nutrients and fatty acids in castor oil nourish the hair follicles, promoting stronger and fuller eyebrows over time. Wrinkles, a common sign of aging, can be prevented with the regular application of castor oil. Its high concentration of antioxidants helps fight free radicals, which cause skin aging. Applying castor oil to the face nightly can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Fungal infections, particularly those affecting the skin and nails, respond well to castor oil due to its antifungal properties. Regular application to the affected area can alleviate symptoms like itching and flaking, fostering a healthier skin environment and preventing the spread of infection. Castor oil is also effective in scar treatment and reduction. Its ability to deeply penetrate skin layers promotes the growth of healthy tissue, reducing the appearance of scars. Consistent application on scarred tissue can soften and flatten the scar, making it less noticeable. Incorporating castor oil into your hair conditioning routine can deeply hydrate and strengthen hair. By mixing castor oil with your regular conditioner, or applying it as a pre-shampoo treatment, it can leave the hair smooth, shiny, and resilient against breakage. This treatment is particularly beneficial for those with dry or damaged hair. Castor oil has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Massaging the oil gently onto the lower abdomen helps soothe the pain, improving blood flow to the area and easing muscle contractions. This natural remedy offers a comforting alternative to over-the-counter pain medications. Creating your own DIY castor oil lip balm is a delightful way to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Simply mix castor oil with beeswax and honey for a natural, moisturizing balm. The thick consistency of castor oil provides a barrier that protects lips from harsh environmental elements, keeping them plump and smooth. Employing castor oil in your hair care regimen can help combat dandruff and maintain scalp health. Its antifungal properties are effective in controlling scalp infections that often lead to flaking and itching. Regularly massaging castor oil into your scalp can also hydrate dry skin and promote healthier hair growth. The circulation-boosting effects of castor oil are remarkable. When applied topically, it helps increase blood flow, which can speed up healing and reduce swelling. This makes it particularly useful for those suffering from circulatory issues, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach cells more efficiently and enhancing overall health. Creating a homemade castor oil body scrub can transform your skin, leaving it glowing and revitalized. By mixing castor oil with coarse sugar or salt, you create an exfoliating scrub that not only removes dead skin cells but also deeply moisturizes. The result is soft, smooth skin that looks and feels rejuvenated. Castor oil is revered for its ability to enhance digestive health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties soothe the digestive tract, promoting better gut function. A gentle massage with castor oil on the abdomen can help relieve symptoms of bloating and constipation, making it a beneficial addition to digestive wellness routines. For those suffering from ear infections, castor oil can serve as a natural and safe remedy. Its antibacterial properties help fight off infections while its soothing texture reduces pain and discomfort in the ear. A few drops warmed and gently placed into the ear can significantly ease the symptoms associated with ear infections. Castor oil is widely used as a natural laxative due to its ricinoleic acid content, which promotes the movement of the muscles that push material through the intestines. Taking it orally can help relieve constipation quickly and effectively. However, it should be used cautiously and in moderation to avoid adverse effects. In skin care, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties are highly beneficial. It helps in reducing skin inflammation and redness, making it ideal for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Applying castor oil directly to affected areas can help calm the skin, reduce inflammation, and provide a protective barrier that aids in healing. Castor oil is also an effective natural tool for pest control in gardens. Its unpleasant taste and smell deter pests without harming the plants or the environment. Mixing castor oil with a little detergent and water and spraying it over the garden can keep pests at bay, ensuring healthier plant growth. Castor oil has been found beneficial not just for humans but also for pets. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help treat skin issues in animals. Applying castor oil to a pet's coat can improve its texture and shine, while also addressing dry skin and promoting better overall skin health. For those seeking a deep cleansing experience, a castor oil face mask can work wonders. When mixed with ingredients like honey and lemon juice, it creates a potent blend that pulls out impurities, hydrates the skin, and leaves a fresh glow. This natural remedy can be particularly soothing for acne-prone skin. Creating a castor oil pack for liver detox is a traditional holistic approach to improving liver function and supporting detoxification pathways. The pack involves soaking a cloth in castor oil, placing it over the liver area, and applying heat to enhance circulation and promote healing from within. Eye health can also benefit from the gentle application of castor oil. It's known for its ability to reduce inflammation and hydrate, which can be particularly soothing for irritated eyelids. Regular use can help decrease puffiness and combat dryness, making it a simple yet effective remedy for maintaining healthy eyelid skin. Homemade castor oil shampoo can be a game changer for those struggling with hair health. By combining castor oil with other natural ingredients like aloe vera and essential oils, it can help to cleanse the scalp, promote hair growth, and strengthen hair strands. This natural shampoo offers a chemical-free alternative to traditional products. Castor oil has been recognized for its remarkable properties in accelerating wound healing. Its ricinoleic acid content acts as a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent, promoting faster tissue repair. Simply applying a small amount of the oil to a clean wound can create a protective barrier and enhance the healing process. For those suffering from insomnia or restless nights, castor oil might offer a natural solution. When used topically, it can help to relax the body and soothe the nervous system, possibly due to its fatty acid content. Massaging a few drops onto the forehead or wrists before bedtime can aid in achieving a deeper sleep. Dark circles under the eyes can be stubborn, but castor oil offers a gentle treatment option. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and discoloration. Regular application of a small amount under the eyes can hydrate the skin and improve the appearance of dark circles over time. Castor oil serves as an effective natural fungicide, making it beneficial for gardeners looking to protect their plants without harsh chemicals. It can deter soil-borne pathogens and nourish the soil. Mixing castor oil with water and spraying it onto leaves can safeguard plants from fungal infections and pests. Sunburn can be painful and damaging, but castor oil can soothe burnt skin and aid in its recovery. Its hydrating properties prevent peeling and reduce inflammation. Applying castor oil to affected areas not only cools the burn but also promotes the regeneration of healthy skin cells. Castor oil has been revered in aromatherapy for its ability to relieve stress and promote relaxation. Its soothing scent can be diffused into the air or mixed with other carrier oils for a calming massage. This natural remedy helps to reduce anxiety and improve sleep, making it a great addition to any stress reduction routine. Recognized for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, castor oil is a formidable ally in preventing colds and the flu. Applying castor oil packs to the chest or throat can boost lymphatic circulation and enhance immune function, providing a natural method to ward off seasonal illnesses and maintain overall health. Athlete's foot, a common fungal infection, can be effectively treated with castor oil due to its antifungal properties. Applying the oil directly to the affected area not only soothes the itchy and burning sensations but also creates a barrier that inhibits fungal growth, offering a simple and natural remedy at home. Back pain sufferers can find relief through the application of castor oil, which possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Massaging the oil into the back helps to alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation, offering a gentle yet effective treatment option for chronic discomfort and acute flare-ups. Castor oil is not only healing but also detoxifying, making it perfect for skin rejuvenation. Its unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin helps to cleanse and draw out impurities while moisturizing and promoting healthy cell growth. Regular use can result in a clearer, brighter, and more youthful complexion.